honey garlic red Argentine shrimp. This is so delicious right here, yet so easy to make. And you know I'm about to show you how it's done, so let's get right into it. Let's get started. So these are the ingredients that we will be working with. I will also list them down in the description box. And if you can't find red Argentine shrimp, it's okay. You can use any large shrimp you can find, just as long as they're peeled and deveined. If there aren't, you gotta do it yourself. But anyways, go ahead and get your shrimp into a bowl, and we're gonna combine all these ingredients. You're gonna drop in your soy sauce, you're gonna drop in your honey, you're gonna drop in some of that minced garlic, and you're gonna drop in some red pepper flakes. That's just gonna add a little bit of hint of heat, just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? And it adds so much goodness to this dish right here, believe me. So you want to go ahead and give this a nice little mix, get everything well coated up in all of this goodness, all right? And you can let this sit on the counter for a couple minutes or so. Let it, let the flavors talk and communicate with one another. You know that's how we do right here. So once that's all said and done, go ahead and get your little bit of oil in the pan and go ahead and get those shrimp sizzling, baby. Get them in there doing their thing. And shrimp cooks very quickly. Overcooked shrimp becomes rubbery. It's not pleasant. So, don't overcook your shrimp. It takes about, right here we're giving it about, a minute and a half to 2 minutes per side here. And we're gonna give it a flip. Once we done flipping our shrimp over, we're gonna take some of that leftover sauce in that bowl, and we're gonna actually dump this right on top of our shrimp and just let it simmer just for a little bit. You know what I mean? Let it just marinate, you know what I'm saying? Let it do its thing. And here I'm just sprinkling a little bit of parsley, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting my Salt Bae on, got it rolling off the elbow and whatnot. All right, this is pretty much ready to go. It is time to plate up. Get your finest china out the cabinet, get you some white rice going, some veggies, whatever you want to serve this with, you know what I'm saying? Plate up and go get that sauce and dump it right on top, just like I did right there. Man, does that look good, or does that look good? Like I said, guys, this is an easy recipe, but, and I mean but with a real big emphasis, it is jam-packed with flavor. Jam-packed with flavor, left, right, up, down, all over the place. You know what I'm saying? I love this right here. This is one of my favorites, especially with the red Argentine shrimp. Just takes it to the next level. Come on now. All right, guys, I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. I will see you on the next video. Deuces.